In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix duplicate bill and expense entries in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever noticed your expenses looking higher than they should, or your reports not quite matching your bank statement, duplicate transactions are often the culprit. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to safely find and delete those extra entries so your books stay accurate and clean. First, we need to open the chart of accounts. In QuickBooks Online, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon. This is where many of your settings and lists live. From the menu that appears, select Chart of Accounts. Think of the chart of accounts as the master list of all the accounts you use to track money coming in and going out, including your bank and credit card accounts. Once you're on the chart of accounts page, locate the specific bank or credit card account where you suspect the duplicate entry exists. This might be your main checking account, a savings account, or a company credit card. When you find the correct account, look over to the right side and select View Register. In some layouts, you may see Run Report first, and then have the option to click View Register from there. The register is like a digital checkbook, listing every transaction for that account. Now you'll want to carefully identify which entry is actually a duplicate. Go line by line and compare each suspicious transaction against your bank statement. Pay close attention to the date, the amount, and the vendor or payee details. A true duplicate usually has the exact same information as another transaction, and only one of them will match what appears on your bank or credit card statement. Here's a very important tip. Avoid deleting any transactions that have already been matched to an online banking entry. In QuickBooks, these are often indicated by a green square or the letter R in the checkmark column. Those markings mean the transaction has cleared and been reconciled. Deleting reconciled transactions can throw off your balances and create more work later, so only remove entries you're confident are duplicates and not reconciled. When you've confirmed which entry is the duplicate, click on that transaction to open it, then choose the Delete option. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm this action. Take a moment here to double-check the date, amount, and vendor one more time, because deletions are permanent and cannot be undone. Once you're sure, confirm the deletion. After that, your register should show only the correct transaction, keeping your expense totals accurate and your financial reports reliable.